Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equation in two variables. Example 8. The ratio of incomes of 2%. Let the 2% solution, let the 2% be X and Y. Okay. Therefore, the income is given, therefore it will be X, Y. This also X, Y. By this we need to form an equation. Okay, it is very easy. The income, first the formula is income minus expenditure is equal to the saving. Here the per month they have been having the value of 2000, saves the value of 2000. Therefore, for a person 1, 9x minus 9x minus 4y, which is equal to 2000. This will be the equation 1. And the second equation 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. This will be our second equation. Here we can use the elimination method. From this exercise and example sum, we can use the elimination method. Elimination method means very easy. Make any one variable. You can take our x variable or y variable. Here the y variables are very small, so eliminating y is very easy. How will you be eliminating? Taking LCM. 4, 3, LCM is 12. Therefore, multiply this by 3, this equation fully by 3 and this equation fully by 4. Okay. Therefore, equation 1 into 3 and second equation into 4. Okay. 9 3s are 27. 27x minus 12y equal to 6000. 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. Okay. This is the method, you can solve it. Therefore, we should change the sign. Change the sign means you should change the sign throughout. Here plus, we should take minus, minus, plus, minus. Okay. Therefore, 27 minus 28, which is minus x, plus minus cancel, which is equal to minus 2000. Minus cancel, we get x is equal to 2000. Substitute x in any one of the equation. You can substitute in first equation or second equation. I will substitute in second equation. 7 into 2000 minus 3y is equal to 2000. Okay. We go on with it. This is 14,000. Okay. Minus 3y is equal to 2000. 14,000 minus 2000 is equal to 3y, which is 3y equal to 12,000. Cancelling, we get 6,000. Sorry, 6 3 4s are 12. 4,000. Therefore, y equal to 4,000. Therefore, find the incomes. The monthly income of 2 persons. Therefore, we should write the monthly income for 2 persons are, which is the income is given in the ratio which is 9:7. Therefore, the values are rupees 2000 into 9, which is 18,000, and 2000 into 7, which is 14,000. Okay. The value of x denotes the income and value of y denotes the value of expenditure. Okay. This is x and this is y. This both will be y, which is income. X will be the income and y will be the expenditure. Expenditure, we took the both the equation, which is income minus expenditure, income minus expenditure. This is for a person A and this is for a person B. Therefore, let the two incomes and two expenditure, I took it as this. Therefore, the income is 18,000 and 14,000. Thank you.